Okay, my dear student of class 7th, how are you beta? I hope you all will be fine. So in this session we would go and discussion the two concept are there. First it is that the sea bridge and second one is that land bridge. So without any wait, let's look. Sea bridge and second one is a land bridge. Okay, so what is those concept? So for the understanding of those concept we would understanding the phenomena which are occurring in the coastal area. Okay, so let's look what I am saying, listen carefully. Okay, in the coastal area means the those area which near which stable and located near the sea or oceans, such as Gujarat state, Maharashtra, that one of the famous city of Maharashtra is Mumbai. It's also located in the near of sea, and Goa, then Tamil Nadu state, then Andhra, Odisha, and Pashchim Bengal. Okay, so these are the some state which are known as the coastal state. Why? Because these state are located near to the ocean or sea. Okay, so what happened in this area? Okay, listen carefully. What happened this in this area? This is the sea. Okay, this is the sea, and after sea this is known as the beach. What known as beta? Beach. So this is the land area. What happened in this area? What happened beta? What happened in this area? During the day, sun rays fall towards the land as well as towards land area as well as water surface. So the land area become hotter than the water. Okay, become hotter than the water. So these land area airs is warm and rise up quickly, warm and rise up. So rise up, and this place is now empty. What happened? The air from the sea is moved towards the land and take the space on it. Take the space on blank area. Okay, so blank area, and after sometimes these air also become hotter and move towards the sea and moves towards the sea. So this cycle is now completed. So this process, the air is called the sea breeze. What we can write here? First heading you can write sea breeze. In the sea breeze you can write during the day, what you can write beta? During the day land get heated, land get heated faster than the water. Okay, the air over the land become hotter. The air over the land become hotter and rise up. Okay, the cooler air from the sea the cooler air from the sea, cooler air from the sea rushes in towards the land, is rushes towards the land to take its place, to take its place. Okay, take its place. Now the warm air from the land, the warm air from the land move towards the sea. The air is called sea breeze. Okay, so one time more, understand this carefully. Sea breeze, what actually the sea breeze? During the day, the land area, means this one, land area get heated faster than the water surface. Okay, than the water. What happen? The air over the land, means here the air over the land become hotter and rise up towards the space. Okay, rise up. Now the cooler air from the sea, means from the sea, the cooler air from the sea move towards the land, okay, moves towards the land to take its place, okay. The warm air from the land, now the warm air from the land is moved towards the sea, the air is called sea breeze, okay. The second topic we have, our second heading we have, what is it but a